If you're using models from the Autodesk Construction Cloud, you can connect into that only after you have added the Planoly add-on to your account. Go to search for the Planoly add-on in the apps, simply clicking and then hitting the install button, authorizing the connection. And now it will be available. So when you log in using your ACC account, you'll now get access to all of the hubs and all of the projects that you have access to. The project that you want to use, the models in the folder that you're wanting to connect, and then hitting connect, that will then load the model into the browser and start the indexing process for that content. All of that content will be updated, and every single version of that model will also be synchronized to your account in Planoly automatic. The last place you might want to add a model from would be from File Manager, and any file that you have inside of File Manager will be available for you to connect to as well. The great thing here is that you could also have synchronized folders to other CDEs, so your files can come in from other tools and then be checked inside of Planoly in the Verify module. Each model has its own model rules, and each task has its own task rules that connect to any model. Hopefully that makes sense, but we'll explain a lot more in the advanced course later on. So remember, don't plan late, plan early with Planoly.